Hey guys, just got this new tank and already before I got it I knew it was a stupid tank because it's too slow and the armor is not good enough and the rapid fire and the low alpha damage of the gun makes me wanna stay in the heat to get all my shots in, and that obviously makes me die. So I got the coated optics so I can see the enemy before in the early stage, but actually I think I want to go with a little more precision of the gun. So let's try it out. It's actually not working bad for me in this tank, but it just doesn't feel quite right. I see some other of my clanmates doing very good in it and I want to learn what they do. So in this setup I probably should stay a little behind, but I'm just gonna go in, hoping for my team to support me out here, otherwise I'll be screwed. So let's see, all going right. I'm too slow to get to them, so I guess I'll just have to try to hold ground somehow. I'm not sure if I can use my gun depression enough here. Nope, can't shoot down here. So I'm going in. Let's see what this tank can do when YOLOing a bit. Let's see, hiding the lower plate here. Might as well stay here where it's good position for me. One up there. Yes, I'm not afraid of him. So, come to Papa! And he's retreating, giving me a clue of that he might be alone there. There you go. A little afraid of the Leo. Oh, afraid of him. Switching to APCR, ensuring a penetration. Only want to shoot at him. Yes, I boosted my upper front plate there. Okay. See, now I need to play smart to kill this sucker. And who else is getting me? It's probably that Löwe dude. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, lucky me. And now I got some shield here. Let's see. If I just could make him go away. I got pretty good angle, protecting me against the Löwe. It's a Löwe in Danish. Lion. I don't know the German for it. Löwe. Perhaps. No. So. There it happens. So I think it went pretty good. I did some damage and was alone. So, but I guess the disadvantage of this tank is that when the team goes the totally opposite way, you've got no chance to follow. The T-34-85 would have come after me and hit me from behind. At least that's what I think. But I'm not that good in it yet, so let's just see. We should definitely win this. Both red tier 8s are down in their health pool, and ES3 really should be able to carry this game alone by now, so yeah, sure win. Pershing is I don't know who he's going after, instead of just killing the KV-1S. Stupid Pershing! Okay, I have never driven a Pershing, so I'm not sure what's good about it, but I love being against it. They are so easy to kill. Weak armor and HE shots to their ass, high explosives. really fun. So let's see what I did. I was the only one dying, and I'm not sure if I did the right thing, but let's see. Hey, I'm on top. Guess it's because I spotted a lot of people. Let's see, I spotted, yeah, some damage upon my spotting. My damage, yeah. So, not a bad game, but I had to use a bit of APCR, so my credit income isn't that great. And if you can drive this tank only using AP shots, it's gonna make a ton of credit. But using just a few APCR shots, you're gonna lose credit, or at least not get that many. So that's where I am. Okay, see you guys.